Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to convert HEIC or HEIF to JPG on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily convert your HEIF photos to JPG. So here's I'm opening a photo and I'm tapping on this info button, and as you can see currently this photo format is HEIF. Now I'll show you how you can easily convert any HEIF or IC formats to JPG. So first of all you have to open shortcuts. First of all you have to go to your iPhone file manager app, and now we have to create a folder first. So go to on my iPhone, and here you can create a new folder like this, and I'm giving the folder name JPG, or you can type JPEG, it doesn't matter, and then tap on done. Once you successfully created the folder, it's time to open our Photos app. So go to your Photos app, and now if you want to convert multiple pictures to JPG, just tap on select and select those photos you want to convert, and now tap on share. Now all you have to need, we have to copy these photos, so tap on copy photos. Once you've successfully copied photos, now again go to your files app, and simply you have to open the folder you just created. So I want to convert all of my photos in this JPG folder. So here's some opening JPG folder, and now tapping and holding on this folder and just tapping on paste. And now as you can see all of my copied photos are pasted here. And that's it. Now if I tap and hold any photo and tapping on get info, and here as you can see currently this photo format is JPEG or JPG. So this is how we can easily convert any HEIF or HEIC format photos to JPG or JPEG. Once you successfully converted, now tap and hold on a photo, and to save the photo in your photos library, just open the photo and tap on share and tap on save image and go to your Photos app, and here we can see the photo has been successfully saved in our Photos app again. Now if I tap on this info button, as you can see the photo format is JPG. So this is how we can easily convert photos on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.